Hi viewers, now we discuss the topic exercise 1.2, sixth question. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. What we here explain, those two numbers can be treated as composite numbers. For that one we choose as a concept. That concept name as fundamental theorem of arithmetic. What is the meaning of fundamental theorem of arithmetic? Every composite number can be expressed as in the product of primes. So given that the numbers are 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. This can be written as 7 into 11 into 13 into 1 plus again 13 can be written as 13 into 1. Now in both terms 13 take it outside. What the remaining as in the first term 7 into 11 into 1 plus 13 take it outside as in the second term 1 is remaining. So 13 into 7 into 11 into 1 means 77 plus 1. So 13 bracket start 77 plus 1 means 78. Now we do prime factorization of 78. So 2 3s are 1 9, 2 9s are 18. Next T table. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So 78 can be expressed as 2 into 3 into 13. This step can be rewrite, that is 2 into 3 into 13 into 13 means 13 square. So it is nothing but as a product of primes by using fundamental theorem. Hence it is a composite number. Now we take it one more question in that one. Given that 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. So this rewrite 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is nothing but 2 only, plus 5 can be written as 5 into 1. So both the two terms having 5 is there, 5 take it outside. The remaining term is 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 plus take it 5 outside common, the remaining number as 1 equals to 5 of 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 value as 1008 plus 1. So 5 of 1008 plus 1 is nothing but 1009. So clearly 1009 is a prime number, 5 also a prime number. 5 into 1009 are the primes. By using fundamental theorem, product of primes is a composite number. Hence 5 into 1009 is also a composite number. I hope to understand this solution. Thank you for selecting my video.